All right, guys, it is giveaway time, free stuff time. I had said that we were going to do 3 giveaways because we hit 400 subscribers on YouTube. Then we hit 900 and 1,000 followers on Instagram. So thank you guys so much. I really appreciate it. Let's just jump right into it. The first giveaway we are going to do today is going to be the universal storage tray, universal tool storage tray from our friends at Gearwrench. All right, all the comments are pulled up for the Jeep Comanche build part 8 post. I'm going to filter out any duplicate users. Can't be stuff in the ballot box. And let's pick a winner for that universal storage tray. Winner is JM Knight, hashtag Gearwrench, hashtag Bolt Biter, hashtag Second Chance Jeeps. Thank you very much, JM Knight. You got that universal tool storage tray coming your way. Next on the giveaway list is going to be a t-shirt from yours truly from Second Chance Jeeps. We will also, let's jump over to YouTube for that one. So I have the URL here. Filter out any duplicate users. That left us with 51 unique comments. So let's see. Amanda Witherziegler, hashtag Gearwrench, hashtag Bolt Biter, hashtag Second Chance Jeeps. Congratulations, Amanda. You're also going to be getting a t-shirt. Now I'm going to, since YouTube doesn't have a DM feature, I'm going to reply to your comment. I'll give you the email address. If you don't hear from me, email address is right down below here. So shoot me a message, let me know your address, and we'll get that out to you. And you know, I'm feeling kind of generous actually. Let's do a second t-shirt giveaway. Go back over to Instagram for that one. Let's pick another winner for another t-shirt. Again, I'm going to give you the option on size and color, and just got to let me know what you want. Timmy for Reels, hashtag Gearwrench, hashtag Bolt Biter, hashtag Second Chance Jeeps. Timmy for Reels, you got a t-shirt coming your way. I will get all of your info. And now for the grand prize. This one is for hitting 1,000 followers. Yeah, 1,000 followers on Instagram at Second Chance Jeeps. Gonna get a set of Gearwrench bolt biters. They're extraction sockets. These things are awesome. If you got a stuck nut or bolt or stripped out, just hammer one of these things on there, crank on it, and it'll come right out. So we'll go back over to YouTube to give that away and pick another winner here. Who do we got? Who is the bolt biter winner? Bolt biter winner, Dan Fraze. I like free stuff, hashtag Gearwrench, hashtag Bolt Biter, hashtag Second Chance Jeeps. Congrats, Dan. You're going to get the bolt biters. I'm going to send you a message and get back to me, and I'll get them in the mail to you. Thanks so much for everybody who entered. Hope you're enjoying the content so far. We got another video coming up, hopefully in the next week or so. I'm going to start working on the outer rockers of the Comanche, so stay tuned. We're also going to do some more giveaways at some point down the line. I got a bunch more stuff from Gearwrench. Show Gearwrench some love right as well. I'm going to show you their Instagram handle right here. So if you could head over there and click follow and maybe let them know that Second Chance Jeep sent you. Hey, it's what makes the world go round. I greatly appreciate it. So thank you guys so much. More content coming soon, and I appreciate the support. See ya.